my name is Desiree with WTI, and I wanted to share with you this end table. I absolutely love this end table. I have been looking for the perfect one to add to my living room. Now, I like it for a lot of reasons. One was that the assembly was super easy. It took about 30 minutes, maybe a little bit less to put it together. Another thing I like about it is the height. Sometimes some tables can be maybe too low or even too high, and for my couches, it was the perfect height. I also love the gray color I got. So it is a wood grain, but it has the gray color, which is the scheme that I have in my living room. So there were so many things that I loved about this. And I also like that, I can decorate it, but make sure to leave just enough room for what I wanted. Is, of course, if we decide to have some drinks, a snack here, I'm able to place it on this end table. So if you're looking for just the right end table, look no further than this one from Giofanzo. But that's just my point of view.